The reasons why your denture gets broken. There's nothing worse than having your dentures fall out of your mouth. Even if you don't use your dentures for anything other than eating, speaking, and smiling every day. Keep in mind that damaged dentures may happen to anybody. Dentures can be repaired even if they fall apart. Visit my affordable dentist near me in Fort Worth, Texas, for more information on dentures. Dropping your dentures isn't a guarantee that they'll shatter, but it's something to consider. If dentures are dropped on a stiff vinyl or tile floor in the bathroom, they are more likely to shatter. Dentures should only be used for chewing, speaking, and smiling, and should be stored in a protective case when not in use to prevent damage. Every day, you wear your dentures. The fact that you eat with them means that they are vulnerable to harm from a variety of sources. Constant chewing exerts pressure on your dentures, causing the teeth to dissolve over time. This is the most evident cause of denture wear. Acidic foods may also cause dentures to dissolve, just as they can natural teeth. Moisture in the mouth further accelerates deterioration. If your dentures are excessively loose, they may slip out of your mouth and cause serious injury. The dentures may break if they fall and strike anything hard. Denture wearers' mouths naturally change shape over time, which is why their denture fit may have altered. If your dentures don't fit properly, you should get them realigned by a denturist to prevent further damage. Visit my affordable dentist near me in Fort Worth, Texas, for the best denture-related treatment nearby.